I'm starting the class. Hi children. Good evening, ma'am. Already in previous class we discussed about the graph. Already once we'll go to that graph. What is meant by graph? Graph is nothing but pictorial representation. Pictorial representation, it is called as a graph. So in this graph also we discussed about that zeros of the polynomial. Means suppose if you take any graph, suppose when it is cutting or intersecting the x-axis is nothing but we call it as the zeros of the polynomial. So here how many zeros is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 zeros. And if you take another one, suppose if you take like this is also parabola graph only. But this is not cutting the x-axis. So here there is no zeros of the polynomial. So this is previous class we discussed, and along with that we discussed about the linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is nothing but it will get only 1 degree. Degree 1. Suppose if you take y equal to 2x plus 6. Suppose if you take here y equal to 2x plus 6 is nothing but here the degree is 1. So how it will come? Exact one straight line we will get. Suppose if you do here like that it will come. Otherwise like this. So this is all we discussed in previous class. Today we'll go to quadratic polynomials. Means by using the graph only we can go to the quadratic. Means by using square. Suppose if you take any number, otherwise suppose if you take one example. Which example we will take? Suppose P of x. P of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. See ma, here x power how much it is? 2. Here x power 1. Nothing is there means compulsory here 1 is there. So we have to imagine here 1 is there. So here what is the degree? Highest degree is 2. So P of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. So how we will write this P of x equal to? Actually in previous class we discussed y equal to P of x. Yes or no? Here P of x is how much? Y equal to x square minus x minus 12. Means P of x is nothing but x square minus x minus 12. Now we have to substitute x values in this equation. We will get the y. So take here like that we can take. Here we can take x, y. And if you want to take this, we can take another one also. What is that? X comma y. Already in previous class we discussed it. SEMA for all sums processes this is only. First what is given has to write down that one. Next y equal to P of x. P of x means what? Has to substitute. Now we have to take some values. Which values we have to take? Suppose some members will tell, ma'am, I'll take only positive values. No, ma'am, I'll take negative values. Some will tell, ma'am, I'll take both positive and negative values. If you take the graph, in previous class we discussed about the graph. Yes or no? First coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is x dash, this is y dash. In this first coordinate, what will be there? Positive, positive means x value is positive, y value is positive. Here x dash y means negative, positive. This is x dash y dash means negative, negative. And this is x comma y dash means positive, negative. So while we are observing this one, here if you see both, if you take this graph, this is graph only, no? While you are taking this graph, here what we have to observe means while doing the graph, you'll get all the values. Means not only positive. Suppose positive only means you will get like this. Suppose You get only negative values, maybe you will get like this. Otherwise, you will get like this only. So here, what is that meant by graph means we have to touch the negative and positive values. So what we have to take here, both positive values we have to take and negative values also we have to take. So now I will take the positive and negative values. Both I will take. Okay, ma'am, both I will take. See here. Suppose -4. -4 I am taking. From -4 onwards I will do. So now substitute that equation. Put x equal to -4. On which, suppose take this is the equation 1 you can take. In equation 1. So y equal to -4 whole square minus of -4 -1. 4 square how much? It is 16. And here minus square means again it will come into positive. So this is 16. Minus of minus how much? Plus 4. And this is minus 12. So now count, this is 20 minus 12. Means how much it will come? It is how much, ma? 4, 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 minus 12 means it will come into 8. So x comma y, how much? -4 comma 8. So -4 we took means we got how much value we got here? 8. So x comma is how much? -4 comma 8. Now you can take -3. Put x equal to -3 in equation 1. Y equal to -3 whole square minus of -3 -12. So -3 whole square means how much it is? 9. 3 square means 9. Minus of minus plus 3 minus 12. So here 12 minus 12, how much it is? 0. Yes or no? So x comma y, how much? X comma y equal to -3 comma 0. So this is 0, -3 comma 0. And after that you can take -2. -2 will take. So you can write down, put x equal to -2 in equation 1. Y equal to -2 whole square minus of -2 -12. Means again this is 4 plus 2 minus 12. How much it is? 4 plus 2 6. 6 minus 12 is -6. Therefore x comma y equal to -2 -6. Must see like that we have to substitute all the values we have to substitute. So again I will see -6. This is -2 -6. Now we can take -1. How many has to take? We can take minus values some 3 numbers, 0, and positive numbers we can able to take. But here I am taking 4 because you will get the clarity. Suppose anytime we forgot to take any number, suppose. So what we have to do? So in that time we can able to see. Suppose if you take suppose you forgotten -3 and you took -4 -2. So sometimes we do like that also. That problems we'll see later. So now we'll take -1. Put x equal to -1 in equation 1. So what will come? Y equal to -1 whole square minus of -1 -12. 1 plus 1 minus 12. This is -10. X comma y equal to -1 comma -10. This is -10. -1 -10. Now we can able to take 0. 0 means directly we can give 0 now. Put x equal to 0 in equation 1. So directly we can give what will come answer? -12. Why? Because means here 0 will give means 0 minus 0 is nothing but 0. -12. So directly we get the -12. So directly I'm writing. So x comma y equal to 0 comma -12. This is 0. Here -12. 0 comma -12. Now you take 1. Put x equal to 1 in equation 1. Y equal to, suppose see my here 1 and keeping. 1 square means nothing but 1. Minus of 1. See. 1 square minus of 1 minus 12, which is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 12. You will get minus 12. Yes or no? Why? Because means 1 minus 1. This plus 1, this is minus 1 will cancel. You will get the minus 12. So x comma y, which is equal to 1 comma minus 12. 1 minus 12. 1 comma minus 12. Here 2 we can take 3 and last 4. Okay, ma'am? Now you take x equal to 2 in equation 1. Y equal to 2 whole square minus of 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 minus 12. How much by this is minus 10? Yes or no? 4 minus 2. It is 2. 2 minus 12. It is minus 10. So x comma y, which is equal to 2 comma minus 10. This is minus 10. This is 2 comma minus 10. Next again, put x equal to 3 in equation 1. Y equal to 3 whole square minus of 3 minus 12. How much? This is 9 minus 3 minus 12. How much more it is? 6. You will get the 6. Which 6? Positive 6 or plus 6 or minus 6? You will get minus 6. Why? Because here 9. 9 minus 3 is 6. 6 minus 12, it is minus 6. So x comma y, which is equal to 3 comma minus 6. Here minus 6. 3 comma minus 6. And last finally we can take 4. Now say directly 4 and typing. Put x equal to 4 in equation 1. Y equal to 4 whole square minus of 4 minus 12. How much it is? 16. 16 minus 4 minus 12. How much is coming for you? 16 minus, that is 16 minus 16 will come. Yes or no? See, 16 minus 4 means it is 12. 12 minus 12 means it is 0. Therefore, x comma y equal to 4 comma 0. This is 0. This is 4 comma 0. Okay, ma? I think all of you got clarity about what we discussed now. What we have discussed here up to now, just only we substituted the equations. Just what are the equations they given? Means we took the values. That values we substituted in this equation and we got the y value. So finally we got x comma y values. Now we have to draw the graph. So just once copy it. After that we will draw the graph. Once copy it, after that raise your hand means I'll go to the graph. Ma, raise your hand if it is completed means. Directly we substituted the equations, ma. What are the x values we took? That x values we substituted in that equation. X square minus x minus 12 we substituted means we got that answer. Okay. It is completed. Otherwise it will take some more time. Okay, ma, I'll erase it and after that I will draw the graph for you. Okay. Ma, all I have said to you has to draw in this graph only. Your graph papers, otherwise you can take the book and it has to draw in that graph. not in any paper or whatever it may be. Okay, mom? I think all of you got clarity about the graphs. So for this, what it has to take means, he has to take the graph. Already set the graph, how like it will be there. Same already graph means like that it will be there. If you take the center or side has to write here x-axis, x dash, y-axis, y dash has to write. And suppose you can take the center part. This is the center part. Suppose if you take like this, you can, sorry, it is not coming for me exactly. So by using the scale, you has to draw my x-axis and y-axis, not the graph full. Already in previous class, we discussed what we have discussed. Only for linear equations, we'll get this straight line. And after that, what are the equations we can take? We'll get just curve. So we have to use our free hand, not the scalar, whatever it may be. So now you can take the x-axis and y-axis. So x-axis and y-axis. Here why I am using scale means he also has to use this scale. This for drawing, just for drawing, not for anything more. Okay, just for drawing x-axis and y-axis. Just for drawing x-axis and y-axis, I'm using this scale. Other than that, don't need of scale also. Okay, mom? So you can take it as an x-axis. This is y, this is x dash, and this is y dash. So already I said to exactly where the x-axis and y-axis are joining or cutting each other, otherwise intersecting. Just take it as a 0. And 0 after, see ma here from -1 to -4. 1 to 4 is there, no? So I will take like that only. See, if you observe here, exact middle part, suppose you can take 1 minute now. See ma, like that if you take this graph means exact middle we can take it as a 0. And after that, what are the dark lines is there, not light lines ma. See, from here to here, there inside there are 10 lines is there. Okay, don't count that lines. Just count down these lines. What is bright lines is there for you. Count that bright lines, not that dull lines. Okay, so take it as a 1, 2, 3. Like that we can take one. Okay, here also I'm taking like that only. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 took. And after that, you can observe here 8 is there. Next, 0, -6, -10, -1, -12, -10, -6, 0 is there. So we can take the values. So here you can take the values, means that is y-axis values. So take up, means if you take this graph means 0 option has to take the positive values and 0 down has to take the negative values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Now you can take like that, okay? -12. And after that, you can take here -13, -14 you can take. Now we come to this point. First point is what? -4, 8. -4 means what? Here -4. Here 8. Which 8? Positive or negative? It is positive. So you can take -4 here. 8 means exactly where it is there, 1C. Exactly. So you can take here one dot. Means same already do one thing. See exactly 4 minus 8 means here it will come for you. So here you can draw and keep it as and write down here minus 4 comma 8. Okay ma. So like that has to write down. So here I kept. What is that? This is minus 4 comma minus 8. Okay, it has to write down ma. Next minus 3 0. This is minus 3 and 0 means minus 3 0 means exactly here it will come. Okay ma, you can what means you can round up it. And write down this is minus 3 comma 0. Next minus 2 minus 6. This is minus 2 and minus 6 where it is? Here it is. So exactly see and keep here one down. Write down minus 2 minus 6. And after that here minus 1 minus 10. This is minus 1 and this is minus 10. So exactly here it will come. Write down minus 1 minus 10. And after that see 0 minus 1. This is 0. X is 0. Minus 1 is down it will come. Means exactly on that line. 0 minus 12. And after that here 1. 1 minus 12. 1 means here 1. Minus 1 means exactly it will come. Means here you can keep. This is 1 minus 12. And after that it's 2 minus 10. 2 minus 10 is where it will come. Here it will come. Exactly you can take 2 minus 10. And after that 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 means exactly 3 minus 6. Next 4 0. 4 0 means has to figure it out. So now what we have did up to now just we identified the points on that line. Just we identified these points. So like that we have identified the points. See in this graph we identified means we have to do with pencil not with pen. Okay. While using the graph or should do with pencil. You have to keep your pencil and eraser with you. Okay. So like that we identified all that values. Okay. Final values that is 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Now what we have to do by using your free hand means you have to take your pencil and using with free hand not with scale. Okay, just you has to join all the dots. Same by using the free hand I'm joining all the dots. Seema, your graph is ready. See, your graph will come like that. This is called as a parabola. What we call ma? We call it as a parabola. By using this, we'll call it as a parabola. Means by using the free hand. Suppose if you take, means we can't able to draw with scale. Just we use the hand. While using the hand only you will get. Okay, ma, just copy it. See, ma, first we have to identify the points where it is situated. Means we have to take the graph and we have to do the middle points. And after that we have to observe where we kept the points. And after that we have to keep the dots and we have to write down the point also. Here dot we kept. Which dot that is? We don't know. Because we'll do a lot of sums in that what we have to identify. So beside that dot, otherwise beside that circle has to write down the point. Minus 4, 8. So exactly minus 4, 8, you got that point. Okay, ma, just copy it. Why it is computer means tell me. See in exercise 3.2 there is some sums is there for you. Means he has to do that graphs. I am giving homework for this week for you. So all of you has to take your graphs, means has to purchase the graph books and he has to do that problems in that graph book only. Okay. Is completed, ma? Ma, if you observe here, how many times it is cut that mark? How many times it is intersected this parabola with x-axis? 2 times only. See here, this is 1 time and this is 2nd time. What are the remaining is there? That remaining may be in middle of that, otherwise with y, otherwise in that middle of that graph. Okay, ma, 2 times. And here the degree also with 2. So like that, if any problem if they given, so what we have to do means first we have to write down what they given, and after that we have to write down x and y. We have to take the values. Compulsory we have to take means keep in mind one thing. Suppose if you take -3, -2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, that is also no problem. If you take continuous values means you will get the parabola also. Sometimes you will not get exactly. Sometimes, not all times, ma. Sometimes means depending on the question, means given equation. Okay, like that. Otherwise you can take from at least 6 values is enough, ma. Compulsory in that middle 0 is very very important. Without 0 means we can't say. Okay, why? Because means suppose it is 0 minus 12, we don't know. So if we go also no problem, but 0 why we have to take means here positive values, here negative values. Which is separating positive and negative? That is 0 only, no. So always we'll take the 0 value also. Means directly will give the 0, will get the same value. Yes or no? So that is main why we will take that 0. And after that this side 3 values means negative side 3 values we can able to take, and positive side 3 values. That is enough, ma. Compulsory while you are coming to the class means while you are doing that exam or whatever it may be, this is very important in our public examination, ma. This type of graph means in polynomials you will get compulsory one graph, that is with using with your free hand. Polynomials means only one curve will come for you. Keep it in mind. Polynomials means one curve will come. Okay, if you go to next chapter, that is difference. Okay, compulsory polynomials, it is very very important question for you. It is means graph. It will get for you 4 marks essay question it will come. So here what we has to do means for this, see, ma, how like they will divide the marks means, suppose if you write the question, while doing this one, they will get the off mark. Suppose this is 4 marks. For this, they will give 1 mark. And before erasing this one, we wrote something no. Put x equal to values, y, x values we kept no. Further, they will give you. And after that, we have to write down here scale. Where is that? Ma, scale is very, very important, ma. Okay. Here, scale we have to write down. Scale. X-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, and y-axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Otherwise, like that, it has to write the mark. It is depending upon the scale. For scale also, they'll give the marks for you. Suppose here they gave for this scale of mark. Suppose for this total 1 mark. And after that, what we did previously, we did that solution, we kept in that. For that 1 marks. And for this, whatever you did here, x-axis, x, y, x dash, y dash, you kept no. For that also, they'll give the off mark. Suppose you can take their off, total 3 marks. And for this numbers also, they'll give off mark. And after that, what you drew here, for that, they'll give you another 1 mark. Total 4 marks. So they'll divide like that. So we don't forget to write anything. Their x-axis we have to write down, y-axis, see, mark. X-axis, Y-axis, X dash, Y dash, you have to write down first. And after that, numbers. Numbers also is very important. After it means numbers, what you did here means what you do. For that, they'll give you the marks. Okay, but this is very, very important for your public examination. Because it will come into exam. Means in this chapter, you will get 2. Maybe 2. In that most important. Means blindly we can go, this is one of the essay for you. In paper 1. And after that, we'll go to some other problem, that is division algorithm. In the division algorithm, we'll get another problems. Okay, ma? I think all of you got clarity about graphs. In exercise 3.2, they give some exercise, ma. Problems. He has to do that problems. Means he has to find out which is one. Means which is zeros of the polynomial, and he has to draw the graph, and after that he has to do the solution. Okay, ma? I think all of you will do that one. And after that, we'll go to next topic, ma. For this, we'll complete the graph. I think all of you got the clarity, and I'll do some more graphs and keep in that in your group. I'll keep, ma. Okay. After doing the pics, I'll keep in your group. You have to follow that one. And after that, we'll go to some other types. What is that means? Quotients. Otherwise, we can take zeros of the polynomial only, but differently how we will see. Yes, after now we discussed about the graph only. Graph means how many it is there, we can do that one. But now we'll go to some more. Some more means some different type will go. What is that means? Relation between zeros and quotient of a polynomial. See, relationship between zeros and quotients of a polynomial. Ma, this is also very important. You will get in for you 2 marks questions, ma. Okay, this is very, very important. You will get for 2 marks or 1 mark or half mark also you will get. How we have to find zeros and quotients. Quotient means what? Variable beside which number is there. That is, suppose if you take example, some x square, some 2x square,